Time now for the final trade of the day. Let's bring in Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Alan, I know that you're watching the rallies in the United States, but there are other stock markets that are on fire.
It's not just us, as I like to say. Now, we did make a record in tech with the NDX, the S&P, and the Dow last week, but we've also seen China have a big boom. And I know I've said repeatedly here on this channel that BABA was the way to play, and that's worked out well.
What are you watching in the market, Alan, that could be a catalyst to take the stock market even higher?
All right, what I'm looking for now is I'm watching the dollar dive. That could be the next catalyst for an everything bull market.
Your new trade is connected to the oil market. Tell us about that.
All right, today's trade, Halliburton. We saw crude oil pop above the 80 last week. That's a very positive sign to make some comeback climb here. So looking at Halliburton, the stock right now is trading at about 38. The PE is 12, so it's relatively inexpensive compared to the market. It's 50% off the 2014 high and down 15% just since October.
Let's get a check of that chart in Halliburton. Are you seeing moves up, down, or sideways?
The trading range has been mostly sideways for a year between 32.5 and 42.5. So a breakout of that range targets a $10 move to 52.5. But what's important here is we're up above the 37.5 midpoint. Again, we're about 38. We've moved above the midpoint pivot for a pop to the range top.
What would be your option strategy to potentially make money if Halliburton does pop?
The way to play, I'm looking for an August 35 call. It's about $3 in the money, trading for about $4 and change. You've got 3 months of time for development. It's deep in the money, so it's going to act like the stock has an 80 delta. And so what I'm looking for here is a move to that range top and a move to about the 42.5, 43 level. This option gains 100%.
Very good, Alan. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.